Hi there, I'm Chris Olson, a simulation engineer at GSC. I wanted to personally invite you to join us for a SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation test drive, which will let you get your hands dirty with the SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation software. During the test drive, you'll get an opportunity to learn all about the full capabilities of the Flow Simulation tool, from simple internal flow through pipes all the way to advanced turbulent convective heat transfer problems. You'll also have an opportunity to have an informal chat with one of our simulation experts regarding your company's new product development process and how this tool might benefit you in your everyday work environment. Finally, we'll take you through a hands-on guided tour of the SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation software so you can get a feel for yourself the ease of use and incredible integration that is available with our simulation. The guided tour will walk you through an example of an underwater remotely operated vehicle. We will analyze the flow of the water over the vehicle to determine what the drag is on the vehicle as it moves through the water. To perform the analysis, we will go through how to set up a flow simulation study by defining the type of study, the fluids involved, and the goals needed to ensure an accurate analysis. Once we've ran the analysis, we will investigate the flow over the vehicle by looking at velocity and pressure plots that show how the water is flowing over the vehicle. We will also look at how much force is exerted on the vehicle by the water. These results will give us the necessary information to make educated design decisions on how to improve the vehicle design. So join us at our next Flow Simulation test drive event. We'd love to meet you. You'll find all the up-to-date information on our website, gsc-3d.com, under our events calendar.